Welcome to Math School friends. In this video, we will be solving few questions from exercise 2.2 class 8 linear equations in one variable. In our previous video, we have solved the whole exercise 2.1 for class 8. Let us see what is the first question here. If you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? Now it's saying there is some number. If you subtract half from that number, in these kind of questions, it is always better to understand first what is given and what is required to be found out. So it's saying we need to find some number. Let us say that number is x. We need to find a number. So let us say that number is x, which we need to find. If you subtract half from a number, that means if I subtract 1 by 2 from this x, what will I get? I will get x minus 1 by 2, right? Now it says multiply the result by half. So by subtracting 1 by 2 from x, I have got the result as x minus 1 by 2. Generally we take it in a bracket. Now it says multiply the result by 1 by 2. So multiply the result by 1 by 2 means x minus 1 by 2 multiply by 1 by 2. So if you do this, the result you are getting is 1 by 8 as given in the question. The result you will be getting is 1 by 8. What does this mean? So x minus 1 by 2 multiply whole by 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. So we will just equate it, right? So this becomes our equation. X minus 1 by 2 multiply by 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8. Now I need to solve this equation. So this 2 definitely will go in the numerator when it goes to other side. Hope you remember the previous exercise. This 2 will go in the numerator and it will become 2 by 8, and 2 by 8 if you further solve it will become 1 by 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8, right? So x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4 is our equation. In this I will shift this 1 by 2 towards right hand side of the equal to sign. So whenever you shift, if I am shifting this 1 minus 1 by 2 to right hand side towards 1 by 4, I need to change the sign. Hope you remember the previous exercise. So minus 1 by 2 will become plus 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. If you want to add 1 by 4 to 1 by 2, you need to take LCM. LCM of 4 and 2 will be 4, right? So it will be 1 plus 2 to the 4, so 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 divided by 4 is 3 by 4. This will be the answer. If you have any doubts on this, feel free to write in the comment section. We will definitely reply on that. Right? X is equal to 3 by 4 is the number. 3 by 4 is the number. If you subtract half from this number and multiply the result by half, the answer will be 1 by 8. So in this case, answer of your question is 3 by 4. Let us do the second question. It says the perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Perimeter is sum of all four sides of the rectangle. Now for this rectangle it is given its length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. 2 meters more than twice its breadth. What are the length and breadth of the pool? So here we are given that length is something related to breadth, right? And ultimately I need to find out length and breadth of the pool. So for length they have given us something, for breadth they have not given us anything in the question. So what we will assume, for something which is not given, we will assume that to be x or y or whatever we feel like. So here what we will do, we will assume, let us say the breadth of the swimming pool is y. Since length given is 2 meter more than twice of breadth, we assume that breadth is y. So twice its breadth. Twice means 2y. So length will be 2y plus 2. Length will be 2y plus 2. Twice the breadth plus 2 will be the length. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, which is given as 154. So I have length as 2y plus 2. I have breadth as y. So what I will do, I will put length and breadth values in terms of y in this equation. Okay, so instead of length, I will write, let me show you, instead of this L, I will write 2y plus 2. Instead of breadth B, I will write y. So this will become 2 into 2y plus 2 plus y is equal to 154. Something like this. Length is 2y plus 2, breadth is y. If put these values in this equation, it is 2y plus 2 plus breadth is y is equal to 154. So simple to solve this question is, simple method to solve this question is, you shift this 2 on right hand side. If it goes to right hand side, obviously it will go in the denominator. So it will become, and you add 2y plus y, 3y plus 2 is equal to 154 divided by 2. Remember this 2 we have taken from left hand side. 154 divided by 2 is 77. So we have equation 3y plus 2 is equal to 77. Now I will keep y terms on left hand side as we have done in the previous exercise. 2 we will shift to right hand side, and when it goes to right hand side it will change its sign. So 3y is equal to 77 minus 2 is equal to 75. Hence y is equal to 75 upon 3. Again, when y is shifted to right hand side, it will go to the denominator. 75 divided by 3 is 25. So what is y? Y is the breadth of the pool. So y we have got as 25. What will be length? Length is 2y plus 2. 2 into 25, that is 50, plus 2. 52 will be the breadth. Will be the length, sorry. Length is 2y plus 2. 2 into 25, that is 50, plus 2, 52 meters. So 52 meters is the length. 25 meter is the breadth of the pool. So if you add, so adding one length means 52 plus breadth is 25, 77 plus another 25 plus another 52, it will become 154, which is given as the perimeter of this rectangular swimming pool. Right, hope this is clear. In case of any doubt, feel free to write your comments and we'll be happy to help you. Right, so we have done these two questions for this exercise, and very soon we'll be coming up with the next part of this video wherein we will be solving further all the questions of this exercise 2.2. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you subscribe to this channel, you will immediately get a notification whenever we have loaded a video or whenever we are live streaming these exercises. Very soon we'll be coming up with unit 2. Thank you. All the best.